Hello children, now I will explain how to take the printout of your MCQs which you have done in your classroom. Many children don't know how to take the printout of that MCQ with their mark which they have done, that paper, that sheet, how to take the printout. So now I will show you how to do this. So you open that classroom from which you want to take, which classroom you want to take the the printout of the MCQ. Here I am opening this class. In this class, which MCQ you want to take, go to that MCQ. For that, I think better to go to the classwork tab. When you click the classwork tab, you can see different headings. Heading wise project and MCQs you can see. So here it is lots of headings are there in your classroom. So you go to the which heading, which MCQ you need, you go to that heading. So here I'm going to take the MCQ of this heading. Okay, under this heading there are three MCQs are there. This is one class test MCQ. Okay, click on that class test MCQ. There you can see just below that heading you can see that Google form file with that name. The name of this Google form is fill your details only. So it is showing like that. When you open your Google form, what is the heading of or title of the form, it will be there. Okay, now I am clicking there to open. Now it will show that a view score only, because already you have done, you responded to this sheet, okay, to the teacher. So you cannot do once more. So you can see only the button view score. You select, click on the view score button. When you click that, you can see the paper which you have done in the during that test paper. This is the paper which you have done. Okay, out of 19, how much you got? 18. And which all points you got for each question, so everything will be there. And which is wrong question, which is correct answer, everything will be there. And if you want to take the printout to show the teachers or to keep in a project or portfolio, I think better to select which is a good mark, which you got a good mark MCQ. That MCQ you open and take printout. Okay, this is no problem. This is a good mark out of 19, 18 mark. Okay, so now you right click anywhere on this page. Okay, this is white area now. So right click on this page, so you can see print option. You select a print option, then it will go to the printing section of the windows printing options. It will go, this is a printing window. There, if you have a printer connected to your computer, you can see the printer name here. But I don't have the printer with my computer, so it is showing that Microsoft print to PDF. Now we can save to a PDF. When you click there, you can see save as PDF or save to Google Drive or see more destinations you can select by clicking here. So I think better to select a Microsoft print to PDF. And here pages, all pages we have to take. Okay, it is compulsory. And layout must be portrait. Okay, not landscape. Portrait must be there. Color, if you taking the printout directly to the printer, you select according to your cartridge, you can select color or black and white. But now we are saving as a PDF, so it must be color. Okay, so next below, just below of this you can see more setting. In that more setting, A4 size paper, paper per sheet, one or two you can select. Okay, it will reduce the number of the sheets. Now you can see the preview left side. If you are okay with the two sheets in one sheet, so you proceed with the two sheets. Okay, and you try to four sheet also in one sheet. If it is not crowded, no problem, you take four sheet in one sheet, four pages in one sheet. That also no problem. If you think it is okay, you take it. Because if you want to take a printout, I think better to reduce the number of pages. Okay, now I am taking only two pages per sheet. I'm selecting 2 pages per sheet I am taking, and here margins default, scale default, but here by default the background graphics will be untick. See, you can see simply white pages, so you have to tick the background graphics, and when you click the background graphics you can see okay, heading of the each section in violet color. Okay, so that will come there, and then we can select the print button to take the print. Actually here no printer, so printing means saving. Okay, when I click it will be saved because I don't have printer. If you have printer it will be printed, but now I don't have a printer, so I am saving this print by clicking here. Now it is asking where we have to save, so and select the destination, desktop or document or downloads, wherever, and give one name also, MCQ PDF. Okay, like that we can give one name, and you click save. Children, now that MCQ page has saved properly, and I will show you the saved page also. I will show you this is saved page MCQ PDF. Now if it is not in a correct position, means it is not a proper way, you can turn this page by clicking here, rotate. Okay, you can rotate the page like this. You can see the two pages in one sheet. Okay, it is like this. You can save your MCQ as PDF very easily. Okay, children, you do what I said here, and if you like this channel, you subscribe, and bell button also you